This is the Nicka K 9 Colors Mini Eyeshadow Palette, and this one is in the shade Under the Sea. And I created this look with this palette, and this is how it turned out. I hope you guys like this look as much as I do. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. So this is the look we are doing today. If you like this look and want to do it for yourself, then please keep watching, and don't forget to like this video if you find this helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, it would really help me out. And yeah, let's get started. So as usual, I'm starting off with the eyes. I'm using the Nicka K 9 Color Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Under the Sea. I'm using this matte yellow shade from that palette and using that on my crease. I'm gonna take my time to slowly build the color up. By the way, the brush that I'm using are 12-piece eyeshadow brush set by Star Makers. I bought these from Amazon. Next, I'm gonna use the matte orange from the same palette and use that to darken the crease, to add some depth to the crease. Next, I'm gonna use the matte brown eyeshadow and use that on my crease to further saturate the crease and also extend the shadow to the outer corner. I'm gonna take my time to blend as much as possible so that the eyeshadows look seamless and gradient. I'm using the brush that I used to apply the orange eyeshadow to reblend the orange, not taking any extra product on the brush. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Taking the brush I used to apply the orange eyeshadow and reblending it again without adding any extra product, and doing the same thing with the yellow eyeshadow, just using the brush without any extra product. And I'm gonna use this beautiful shimmery lime green eyeshadow right in the middle of the eyelid, and I'm gonna take my time to build the color up as much as possible so that it looks dazzling and prominent. I'm using a flat shader brush by Inklo. The shimmery green looks so pretty. I love the color and I love how beautiful it looks with the oranges and yellows. Now I'm blending the outer corner with the matte brown that I used earlier, and now I'm just fusing the two shades together. Next, I'm going to take this matte aqua blue shade and use that on my lower lash line. I'm using the same flat brush that I used to apply the green shimmer with. Next, I'm blending the color with a little bit of the matte yellow eyeshadow that I used on my crease. Next, I'm going to take this shimmery turquoise blue eyeshadow and use that on the inner corner of the lower lash line. And now I'm going to put on some winged liner. I'm using the Lakme Shine Line eyeliner in the shade black. Next, I'm gonna use some white gold on my waterline by Wet n Wild. This just makes your eyes look bigger and brighter. Putting on some mascara. This one is the Maybelline Less Sensational. Then I decided to add some white eyeliner right above the inner crease to make the look more interesting. So this white eyeliner is by Bella Boste and I'm gonna be reviewing the product soon. Finally, highlighter. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. Adding some lashes on my lower lash line. And finally, lipstick. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Creamy Matte, the City Brick collection, and this one is in the shade Brooklyn Bear. So it's a really pretty shade and I just got this along with another creamy matte lipstick and I'm going to be reviewing these very soon. Highlighting my inner corners and brow bone with the same Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter. Highlighting my nose a little and now I'm gonna put on some lashes. So the lashes that I'm using today are brand new. These are by Bronson Professional and not only are these lashes super affordable but they are super dramatic and super cute and I'm gonna be reviewing these lashes very soon. By the way, I've also reviewed the Nicka K Sugar Plum palette, which is the purple palette, and it's already up on my channel. If you are interested, you can check that out. So this is the look created with the Nicka K palette. I have the Sugar Plum eyeshadow as well. I love using that equally. So I love the selection of shades here. Like there's so many looks you can do with it. I can already tell I'm gonna love using this palette. I love it. I love how the look turned out today. It's a simple look but so much fun and the pigmentation is pretty good. The colors are not patchy. They are a little on the powdery side. This retails for $5.99 and I got this for 300 bucks from Nykaa. And I am so glad I got this. I wanted this for a very long time. I finally got my hands on this. These are never in stock. They are that popular. This is really affordable and really fun to use. In all, a great palette. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found this helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a like and please subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.